All right, this is Carl with Pinnacle General Contracting. I'm here at 900 Huntsman Road in Towson for the Stoller's roof. So we received State Farm's estimate for a couple shingles to be replaced. I just want to point out a couple things first. So I saw that on your estimate you wrote for a 12 3-tab shingle remove and replace. Do just want to point out immediately, these are not 3-tab shingles, these are architectural laminate shingles. Seems a little careless to me that it would be written that way, but nevertheless, I also want to show on these shingles, for instance, here's one with some damage. I guess State Farm's calling these tree strikes. Really looks more like wind to me personally, but however you want to call it, they do have a 5-inch exposure there. So as I'm sure you are aware, any shingle, architectural laminate shingle with a 5-inch exposure is actually not going to be in production. Additionally, for the length, it's going to be 35 3/4 inches. So yeah, they don't make architectural shingles of those dimensions anymore. And I'm going to pause the video here and bring up a couple other issues. So another thing that I wanted to bring up here is our, I guess, scopes of work are a little different. I see you're covering 12 shingles. I'm sending in my photo report from, like the initial inspection along with this. But I think I had something more like 25 or 24. I can't remember exactly. But also, it's kind of irrelevant because there's no way this roof is going to be repairable. I believe it's installed in like 1995 or something. I mean, just look at the state of it. Look at what happened. I put my ladder up and it's like breaking, cracking. Over here, like the overhang at the eaves, it's like, oh my gosh. Like, yeah, like that's, I don't think that's really what happens when a roof is repairable. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this shingle that is damaged. Due to it being discontinued, there is no like kind of quality product. I'm gonna use just some of this ice and water shield to temporarily patch it up so I can send this out to ITEL and also be watching this shingle in the process and see if there's any other kind of repairability argument to be made there. All right, okay. So yeah, as I suspected, just trying to get the seal off, which I'm being as gentle as possibly can, but lifting the shingle, right here where the laminate's attached, it's just tearing. Try and actually catch that on video. I know sometimes people try and say we're not being gentle enough, but trying my best here. Okay. Got to get some nails on. Yeah, so I mean, lifting that just to even see where the nails are, it's already torn all the way up almost. It is really hard for me to film and do this at the same time though, so I'm just gonna probably get some before and after pictures. All right, I've finished up here. So yeah, these shingles are definitely not repairable. Just the act of like trying to lift it to hammer in the nail is causing them to rip and break. Removing the nails, ripping and breaking, even just breaking the seal, this one was starting to rip. Got this all sealed up, some ice and water barrier. And then this I will be mailing out to ITEL Labs so we can get some paperwork back on it. It's not really clear to me who made this. Probably, I don't know. We will see. But I can attach all that paperwork in with the submission as well as my photo report. Yeah, please take a look. Let me know what you think. I'm recommending a full replacement for this roof. And I can send an estimate for that as well. Thank you.